These three adults sat down at the piano and within months were playing the songs they love with both hands. They're just regular adults just like you who finally learned how to actually play piano songs they like and fast. Sounds unreal? I get it. Anytime I tell people I teach piano, I hear them say the same things. I've always wanted to learn, or I took lessons as a kid, quit, and now it feels too late. Piano lessons get a bad reputation because everyone thinks of learning the traditional way. The traditional route dumps everything on you at once: note names, theory rules, finger charts, two staves, and it's packed in songs you never actually want to learn. People don't quit piano from laziness, they quit from pure boredom and overwhelm, and that's a terrible combination. So these three adults I'm about to show you today took a different route, one that I specifically built for adult brains, so they started sounding musical fast and actually enjoyed the journey of learning. When I first filled my calendar teaching piano with adult students, I did what I was trained to do in music school: crack open the method books and watch motivation die. The songs were either too slow or too fast, and always incredibly boring. So I made the method I wish they had. Strip the noise, start with chords, build momentum quickly. Play real music from day one, simple, structured, respectful of your time, follow the steps, skip the fluff, and then progress shows up fast. If you want the exact path they use, I put it into a free training that walks you through the steps so that you can start playing your favorite songs quickly and confidently. It's the path that the students took that I'm about to show you today. So comment free training below and I'll send it your way. Meet John. He's from the UK. He's a lifelong musician, a guitarist, a songwriter who spent years performing in pubs and clubs across the country. But there was one instrument that always felt out of reach.
Hi, my name's John. I'm a retired musician. I've played the guitar all my life, out on the road, in the pubs and clubs, etc., and loved every minute of it. I'm a fairly operative multi-instrumentalist, except for the keys, hence my decision to join the Accelerator.
For John, piano wasn't just another instrument, it was the missing piece. He wanted to play real songs for his original songs instead of programming everything on a computer. So he started searching for something that could actually help him with that.
I stumbled across Caitlin's Piano Accelerator, which really did appeal to me because of its very simple methods of learning and not getting involved with lots of theory. The simplicity has really paid off for me as I've made so much progress with this kind of teaching.
Once he joined my Piano Accelerator program, everything started clicking. He began understanding the keyboard, chords, and how to bring his ideas to life.
The Piano Accelerator has been such a great help in giving me such quick, efficient knowledge of the layout of all the keys, enabling me to move forward in playing things that I've had in my mind. Being a songwriter only on the guitar, the Accelerator has got me moving to actually include the piano to capture music with my recordings.
He said one of the things that stood out most was how I explained concepts in a way that felt simple but powerful.
Caitlin describes absolutely everything in such depth, but so simple to you, which really doesn't get you bogged down in too much. I really do believe that if it wouldn't have been for the Accelerator, I wouldn't be where I am now.
And as he got deeper into the program, he started noticing all the little improvements: the technique, the sitting position, the chords, even the fun note games that made learning stick.
The program has helped me along with lots of pro tips, even down to the correct sitting position and hand positions and pedal sustain control. What's very helpful to me also is the great explanation of all the chords and scales, which is imperative in playing correctly. There's a note identification game, which is such a great idea and fun, and works brilliantly, getting you familiar with the name of all the keys, and certainly doesn't get you bored whilst learning.
And now, he's playing songs he actually loves and creating music that used to live only in his head.
I've been able to sit down and work songs out so much easier and actually get something done, unlike before with my lack of knowledge. Looking back before I joined the Accelerator, I struggled along painfully in search of help in what I was doing. Now I have such a greater expertise in doing what I like with the piano, and I can play various songs. I've learnt a few songs by Supertramp. It's absolutely magic, it really is.
When I asked him what the best part has been, he didn't hesitate. The joy, the progress, and the community.
I think the joys that I've got is knowing that Caitlin's teaching works. The proof is in the making. I know myself, and I've achieved so much in 1 year. And the surprises, being with such nice people on the Facebook group and all be one sort of family, all in the same boat learning. It's a really, really nice place to be.
And if you're still sitting on the fence, wondering if it's worth it, here's what John wants you to know.
I would say to anyone who wants to further their piano playing or start from fresh is to do themselves a big favour and enrol with the programme. It's a very well worth investment to move yourself forward and have fun on the way with the great teaching methods that the Piano Accelerator has to offer.
And here is John playing.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try.
Next up is Jim. Jim's story is one of my favorites because he's tried to learn piano so many times, and for decades it just never clicked. He's lived a full life with a ton of different careers, and he's done some pretty cool things. But piano was that one thing that always got away.
My name is Jim McMahon. At the present time, I'm retired, although I've had many different careers in my life.
He's been a motorcycle rider since he was 15, and he told me something that really stuck with me. At one point, he was so determined to learn piano that he sold his motorcycle to buy one.
Just as a little background, I'm a motorcycle rider, and I've been riding since I was 15. And at one point, I was so interested in learning to play the piano that I sold my motorcycle and bought an upright piano.
But like a lot of adult students who try traditional lessons, it didn't last long. He gave it an honest shot, but the songs were too simple, the progress was too slow, and he didn't feel musical.
I took 3, I guess what was regular lessons at the time. It was not for me. I was not getting anything except maybe Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And I was a little too old for that. So I sold the piano and got out of it. And I've tried many times to get back into it, and until now, never was able to.
So fast forward to recently, Jim found my videos online, started watching, and something about the way I taught just clicked. He decided to give piano another chance.
I looked at many other programs before I signed up for a Piano Accelerator course. I watched a lot of her YouTube videos, and it seemed like much more of a match for me. So I thought I'd give it a try, and I'm very glad that I did.
And from there, everything changed. He said one of the biggest surprises was the sense of community, something he didn't expect to find in an online course.
The camaraderie in the Facebook group. I especially appreciate the Zoom classes on Monday and Wednesday. They're all very friendly. The feedback that I've gotten blew me away. And what I have learned in the time that I learned it, if you had told me that before, I would have never believed it.
Before, he couldn't get through a song. Now he's playing full songs, real songs he actually enjoys, and for the first time, he feels like a musician.
Things that I've learned are songs that I played now that I couldn't play before. I couldn't play anything before. I tried things, like with the little things flying down on the screen. That just made me crazy. I couldn't do that. First of all, just learning chords. I never learned that anyplace before. I never heard anybody really talking about that. I have about 6 or 7 songs that I've learned, and they were songs that I wanted to learn, songs that I really like the sounds of, a lot of Billy Joel stuff.
That line, "I never learned any songs before," it gets me every time, because this is the first time in his life that piano actually stuck.
I never learned any songs before, and all of them that I've learned from the course at this point in time.
And even though he joined to learn piano, he ended up finding something more. A group of people who make him feel supported, encouraged, and inspired.
It's kind of like a family. Everyone that I've spoken to there, when I posted things, very kind, has kind things to say, encouraging things, and that has been more encouraging than I would have ever thought. That has been extremely helpful to me.
And when I asked what he'd say to someone thinking about starting, he didn't hold back. And honestly, it's one of the best things I've ever heard from a student.
If you have any questions, remember that to me, what I looked at when I joined was that it was an investment, not in the course. It was an investment in myself. I'm 73 years old now, so I would have loved to have done it long ago, but as they say, better late than never. Don't do like me. Don't waste any more time. Jump in, and I can tell you, I'm sure that you'll enjoy it, and you'll learn an awful lot from it.
And now here's a clip of Jim playing. And now there's Nick. Nick is a retired electronic engineer, super logical, detail-oriented, and used to solving technical problems. But when it came to piano, he found that same structure was missing.
My name is Nick. I worked as an electronic engineer, but now I'm retired. I've been trying to do some work on my own from various courses that I found. But the problem is it's very hard to keep motivated, and you're also uncertain whether you're practicing the right thing. So it's really great to have something like this that gives you some direction, and having the whole forum there gives you people to work with and keeps you motivated. So I find it very useful.
That moment right there when he says it's great to have someone who gives you direction, that's exactly what most adults crave when learning piano: structure and feedback.
Having the forum means you can send in your work, have it reviewed, and that helps keep you motivated. And if you've got any problems or questions, they can be answered online or via a call. So that's also excellent.
Nick became a perfect example of how community accelerates growth. He wasn't learning alone anymore. He had support, feedback, and a place to stay consistent.
The great thing about the course is Caitlin has managed to identify key things that people need to know and distill it into something that's fairly easy to learn. So if you're coming to us as a beginner, it's not overwhelming, and that was incredibly useful.
Because that's what kills most adults at the start: information overload. Nick didn't need more material, he needed clarity. And look at what he's playing now.
There's probably half a dozen songs that I've done, like Knock on Heaven's Door, Hallelujah, Hey Jude, did about 4 different versions of that. Bob Seger's still the same, and most recently I did an old song, Tonight You Belong to Me. A couple of other tunes I made up, so it's been a lot of fun actually. But right now I'm getting more drawn towards pieces rather than songs. That's a whole new challenge for me, so it's interesting.
It's amazing he's gone from dabbling in random tutorials to building a real repertoire. And he's even exploring solo piano pieces now, something he once thought was out of reach.
I thought the improv tricks were a neat idea because there's little things you can add into the songs you're working on that just make it a little bit better. And it's still an area I'm working on. It requires a certain amount of coordination, and that comes with practice.
He's experimenting, improving, and actually enjoying the process. And his final words sum up exactly what the Piano Accelerator is all about.
I think the key thing is that in lesson 101 of the course, that is to have the right mindset. And when you do this, it is going to take time and effort. But the good thing is you've got the support of the forum and the support of Caitlin there to help you through it. The course is constructed in such a way that it's very, very logical and clearly explained. So you shouldn't really have any great problems. It's as plain as possible, I would say.
And now here's a clip of Nick playing.
Although we're apart, you're a part of my heart, but tonight you belong to me.
I know how easy it is to think it's too late, to tell yourself I missed my chance, or I'm just not talented. Maybe you've tried lessons before, maybe you've bought the books, maybe you spent nights on YouTube trying to piece things together, and every time it felt like you were running in circles. But here's the truth, it's not you. It was the way you were learning. You were trying to learn from systems that were never built for you. Methods made for kids or apps that leave you guessing with no real plan to follow. And when that happens, of course you start to think maybe it's not in you. But as you've just seen it, it is. John, Jim, and Nick didn't have special talent or endless time. They had structure, support, and a clear path to follow. That's what made the difference. And what's most powerful is how normal their stories are. They didn't become concert pianists, they became musicians, real ones. The kind who sit down at the end of the day, play songs they love, and finally feel proud of what they had to hear. Because it's not about perfection, it's about momentum. If you were thinking, I wish I could do that, this is your sign that you can. You just need a method that actually works for the way adults learn. If you want to see how this process works step by step, the same one John, Jim, and Nick used to start playing their favorite songs fast, I put together a free training that walks you through it. Just comment free training below and I'll send it your way. And for your next video, I recommend watching this. It'll take you through your very first piano lesson so you can get started quickly with the Piano Accelerator method. So check it out. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.